Hello guys, today we are going to test the battery performance of Samsung Galaxy A21s, and without wasting our time, let's start with the charging of the battery. Guys, we keep getting this suggestion from your side to also include PUBG and Call of Duty into this battery testing session of our phones. So this time we have tried to include such a session. So this video is a little different than our usual battery test video, so I will request to keep watching it till the end and let me know in the comment area below that if this video is helpful for you or not. So guys, this phone is coming with the 5000 mAh huge battery and a fast charging option that is built into this phone. There is an option inside the menu in the setting area that enables or disables the fast charging option. You have to go to the settings and in the battery area, and from here you can enable this fast charging option. You can enable or disable it. Of course, when you deactivate it, the phone will take a little longer to charge. And this phone is also coming with a 15-watt charger. That was also the case with Galaxy A31. Both are having the same kind of charger. So now the phone is fully charged, and then we have come to know that this phone took like 2 hours and 7 minutes to charge it. Keeping in view this 5000 mAh battery, I can say that it's a very good time, and I haven't seen such a good charging time recently in other phones having the same capacity of the battery. So guys, let's move on to our next test, which is about draining the battery. I'll run the 1080p video on it in a loop. I'll keep the volume at maximum and brightness at 50%, and I'll also turn off the mobile data and Wi-Fi as well, because I just want to avoid any outside interference as much as I can. Well, the battery is draining, so let me share something with you guys. So far I've learned that Vivo batteries are very good with the battery backup, and still Vivo S1 Pro tops our list of battery drain tests. But I must tell you that Samsung Galaxy A series have also started impressing me because of their batteries, and it started with Galaxy A71, and then we also saw this in Galaxy A31 as well, and this time I'm also expecting a good battery backup here as well. So guys, if you want to have a look at these videos of Galaxy A71 or Vivo S1 Pro or Galaxy A31, you can find the link below in the description or here on this video as well. So now the battery drain has been ended, and we can see that this phone took 16 hours and 32 minutes to fully exhaust this battery. I think it's a very good time. Keeping in view the 5000 mAh battery, and of course the TFT screen has to play its part because of its 720 resolution. It gave us a good time, plus the chipset Exynos 850 is also contributing into this as well. I think it's a good combination of software and hardware on this phone. Guys, I was not very impressed with the battery performance of Galaxy A20 and A20s back then, but this time I think in 2020 the A series has improved a lot. And now it's time for our third test, which is about running resource hungry social media apps on this phone. I always run them on 4G mobile data to see the actual battery consumption rate in real life. And now as you can see that TikTok, video recording and PUBG took most of the battery juice, and 7% for each application, which is not a very bad consumption. And talking about the PUBG, you can see that in 30 minutes it took away 7% of the battery. So most probably it will be around 14 to 15% of the battery in an hour on mobile data. And if you could run this game all the way till the end, the entire battery can give you around 7 hours of battery backup, which is not a very bad backup actually on the mobile data. So the question is how this phone is going to behave on the Wi-Fi. So guys, let's first check out the temperature of the phone. It's around 35 centigrade on this app, and let's try a tool as well. So what happens when you play this PUBG and Call of Duty on this phone on a Wi-Fi connection? So we are going to find it out. By the way, PUBG can run on this phone on HD settings and high frame rates. So we are going to test this on these settings. So what kind of frame drop or lag we might get, we will find out soon. And we'll keep it colorful here. So let's start it. Well, I can see a couple of frame drops here, certain lag here. I think it's because of server as well, because probably there is too much load on the server. Let's move on and see if we get them again and again. So guys, I just forgot the timer. Let's place it, and also forgot to note the battery. It's around 87% at this moment, and we're starting this game now. It looks like I'm going to fall into the water. Let's hope I don't. And here as well, this is not a very smooth landing. Actually, I can see some lag and frame drops here as well. It's the second time I'm noticing them. So PUBG is giving me consistent frame drops. I think I should have played it on the basic settings like minimum frame rates, but still I want to see what kind of performance it can give on higher frame rates, because it has this option enabled, so it should give a smooth performance. And as you can see over here as well, these are the frames that are changing every moment. It's coming down and going up as well, so randomly it's falling between 20 and 30 frames. And about the Call of Duty, this phone can give you medium graphics and high frame rate. So it's pretty good that a phone of entry level can give you such a setting on games. So we'll really have to find out that if these settings are able to go smooth, or we will find jerks and frame drops. Well, I've just fast forwarded it, and you can see the frame rates here. It's fluctuating quite consistently. And now when the game has started, I can see good frames. It's better than PUBG actually. So I think Call of Duty is giving a better performance on this phone than PUBG. Guys, the good thing about this phone is that it's not heating too much. So it's been over an hour, and the temperature is still very well in the control. So I can smoothly play these games for another couple of hours. Well, I'm noticing a few frame drops and lags as well. Plus the responsiveness of this TFT screen is not very ideal. So this is something I'm facing right now. It's a bit of a challenge, and not many pro gamers would find it very comfortable. So probably they won't be looking for this kind of display, and though very small, but the frame drop problem. But for the smaller games like Subway Surfer or Real Racing 3 or even Asphalt Line, this phone should be doing fine. By the way, the room temperature is around 30 and 32 here, and the phone is not getting too much heated. So I think the internal cooling system is working quite fine, and the credit goes to this new chipset and the harmony between software and hardware. Hey, so finally I won the game, so I think I'm getting better with Call of Duty. So after 2 hours of gaming, I just want to see that if this phone shows some lag or something like that when I play other applications. So let's open other apps and see what kind of response this phone gives. In the recent tasks, these are the apps I've opened already, and I think it's opening them quite fine. Let's see with other apps. So guys, to sum it up, this phone Galaxy A21s gave us a very good performance at the time of charging, and very good battery drain as well when we played the video on it. And when we ran the social media apps on the 4G mobile data, it also gave us a very good battery consumption rate. And as far as the gaming is concerned, this phone might not be a very good option for the pro gamers because of its TFT screen. The responsiveness is not as cool as it could be on other displays. And the entry-level chipset, it gives you frame drops and a bit of lag. So guys, this was a complete battery test from my side. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment area about this phone. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz.